Hey, what's up, visionaries? I'm back here with another video today. And as you can see, we have our boy Blockchain Monkeys in the house today. And we're just gonna have a little friendly crypto chat, have some fun, kind of talk about some cryptos that he's into, talk about some stuff that I'm into, what I'm looking for. And yeah, so go ahead, go on with it, Blockchain Monkeys.
How's it going, man? Great to see you again, man. It's been a while.
Absolutely, man. It's been too long. We've been trying to plan this video forever.
I know, right? We've been talking, but we just haven't got a chance to do this video yet.
Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Yeah, we talk on a pretty regular basis.
Yeah.
On a pretty regular basis.
Just loving this blockchain jungle, you know what I mean?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. You see, we got the Godfather right now.
Acting what are we looking at? Oh yeah, Bitcoin doing what she do.
Oh man, yeah, I think
Bitcoin doesn't care what any of us say.
Oh, no. In fact, I feel like sometimes it likes to really play with people's emotions, and it really does. It likes to play with people's emotions. It likes to fake them out, Just like back in May, there was a lot of people screaming that it was going to 20K, 13K. Oh, it might even go to 9K. And I'm like, hell no, I'm not doing that. If it does that, this whole damn thing's over.
I don't think this cycle is repeating previous cycles.
Yeah, you don't? I don't think it's going to repeat it exactly to a T, right? But as they say, history, well, some people say history doesn't repeat itself, but it does rhyme, right? And then some people do say history does repeat itself, but I say history doesn't really repeat itself, but it does rhyme.
It rhymes.
Let's see what happens.
See what happens. Yeah. I know right now it's sitting at 67K.
Oh yeah, we got the Bollinger Bands expanding.
Sheesh.
It's looking juicy. And this is on the month. This is on the monthly too. So that's even better. But, on our weekly, a lot of people were concerned, this is going to be a double top for Bitcoin, but I don't think so. I want to share with you something that I found kind of like a pretty cool thing in the charts, right? So I've noticed on every previous cycle, right? On the RSI, we always get a double top, right?
Mm-hmm.
On the monthly, only on the monthly chart though. It's just the monthly chart. So I find it kind of funny because this chart, I'll have to go to like a Poloniex chart or something because this one I think only goes back to like 2015.
Okay.
But as you can see, we had, this would be 17. Yeah. So 18, boom, or no. Yeah, boom, right here. So you had this, it was like 1, 2, and then boom, we're at our top, right?
Uh-huh.
Even you can even see it on the volume too. 1, 2, double top. Fisher, double top.
Yeah.
And that was the end of the cycle. So let's go to the Poloniex chart though.
Wow.
Because there's more data there. Why not you have to go to Poloniex? We can go to Bitstamp. That's fine too, I think. So Bitstamp chart, yeah, it goes all the way back to 2011 December. Awesome. So as you can see, right here, August of 17, we put in our first top, right? Boom. December 17th, boom, we put in that second top. Okay. Right here, you got March of 13, and then you got November of 13, boom, double top, right? That was the end. That marked the end of this cycle.
Then
we went into a bear market, right? Coming back up, blah, 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 blah. Boom, we hit our first top on our monthly RSI. And then boom, we hit our last top, which would be a double top on the RSI for 2017 bull run.
2017.
If you look, well, we've only put in one top on our RSI.
With another top?
So it looks like we are working on another top right now.
So after that, we're going back down again?
I do believe so, yes. I do believe so.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Absolutely. So, I like that, like I found this. This is like so before May of 2021, right? My strategy was if it closes below the 21, it's over, right? And then that was on the weekly. Okay. Now this is the last thing. Like, it broke the mold for that, because if you go back and you look at a weekly chart here, you go back and look at May, you can clearly see, boom, right here, we broke that 21.
Mhm.
Now, and we even tapped a 50, which was like a huge no-no. Huge no-no. So if you go back and look at previous cycles, and this is why I'm saying what I'm saying, right? If you look here, we tapped the 21, but we didn't close below it, right? We kept checking the 21. That's perfectly fine, right? That's all well and good. But once, every other previous cycle, we closed below 21, it's been off to a bear market, right? You can actually see this too. And, you know, right here, boom, same thing. We're at the cycle top, close below the 21, boom, we tap the 50, try to get a relief rally, fail, boom, back into the bear market. And it just wash, rinse, and repeat every time, right? Now this time was different. This time it actually broke the mold. So I guess I can't really use that.
Different this time? Do you think it'll be different this time with because of the economic conditions that we're in?
Sorry about that. My dogs want to act fools right now. Oh man. But yeah, so I'm sorry, can you repeat that for me?
I said, do you think the cycle might be different this time because of the economic conditions that we're in right now with everything that's happening in the world and the devaluation of the dollar and stuff like that?
Well, personally, you know, I think a lot of people want to lean on that. I
was just one. No, like I'm not leaning on that either.
No, I'm not saying that you are, but
Yeah.
like I know, like a lot of people that they are trying to lean on that. And I mean, I guess could it be possible, but I don't really think so this time, because
Yeah.
I still think this is purely a speculation run, right? We're not really in the utility phase. Now, on some of these play to earn games, it's a bit different. But this is still a spec run, in my opinion. It's still a spec bull run. But next time, most likely, I think
Closer and closer we get.
will definitely be a lot more utility by then, because the market will be a lot more mature, and
Sure.
you know, everything's going to be pushed to the masses even harder, right?
Right.
So, and a lot more people are going to be way more comfortable jumping into crypto next bear market, right?
Yes.
They are going to be so much more comfortable. So,
Yeah.
and it's going to, I
They're
think
gonna
it's
be like, oh, this happened. They're gonna be like, oh, this happened 3 years ago.
absolutely, and people will eventually catch on, you know, like they always do, and you know, eventually it'll end up being like the stock market. It won't be as volatile, but
It won't be as volatile. Yeah.
But Mike actually mentioned something that was, I think, pretty key in our interview yesterday. Of actually, it was kind of similar to about this. You know, he thinks that we're still going to have these volatile times until Bitcoin's gone. And
Oh yeah.
you know, I mean, I'll be honest, it would make perfect sense, right? It would make sense, because once the steaming pile of crap is out of the building, we got room for the good stuff.
Oh shit. Yes, bro.
In all seriousness, right? Like we all like Bitcoin. Why? Because we make money on Bitcoin. But
right.
But that's it. That's it.
I give respect to Bitcoin for letting us in the door.
Absolutely, me too.
But that's it.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a failed technology. Like, well, it's not even failed. So it actually did what it needed to do, right? It's not even a failed technology. It's just outdated. That's all. It's just outdated. Yeah. It's just like when you go and buy a PC, right? Geez, 6 months, you know, 2 years down the line, it's like considered a dinosaur, right?
Very secure, though.
Yeah. So
very secure.
So yeah, I mean, I think that's my perspective, I guess. So I definitely have to kind of agree with him on that, you know, because obviously eventually people are going to be like, you know, Bitcoin, what's it doing?
Just like we're doing right now. As they grow and as they mature, they'll be doing the same thing.
Absolutely. Now, Will I say that Bitcoin has its place? Sure, because and the only
Absolutely.
reason why I say it has its place is because it's if you go back and look at like history and charts and things like that, Bitcoin's always the first one to make a nice move, right? So
Resilient.
you know
Resilient.
you can make your money on your Bitcoin first, follow your profits down into like Ethereum, you know, and we all know Ethereum's kind of like the captain of the altcoins, right?
Yeah.
And once Ethereum, reaches a certain level, um, people start taking profits from Ethereum and start showing some love to the smaller altcoins.
There you go. Yep.
So I mean, it definitely still serves a purpose for sure. But
Yeah.
do I want to start like making massive transactions with Bitcoin? Absolutely not. It's way too expensive and hella slow. And yeah, no thanks.
Yeah.
I'm not.
I was
I'm not going to be buying goods with Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin Cash, maybe.
yeah. Before I got on the show with you, I was doing a couple of Ethereum transactions.
Oh man.
You got the fees and you got the weight.
Yeah. Yeah. That's why I like Polygon.
Yes.
I love Polygon.
Yes.
Love it.
Polygon sweet.
Yeah, it makes like whenever you're on like staking platforms or anything like that, oh, it's amazing because you can recompound your staking and things like that for so much cheaper than Ethereum gas fees.
You can do that on that. You can do that on that platform too. The Poly DeFi,
yeah. So, well, you don't have to worry about compounding your staking there, because it's just a flat APR. But like, there's other platforms in the Polygon ecosystem that have like higher APRs, or like you can go and stake your money. And let's just say if you compound it 3 times daily, you'll end up with a higher APY.
Right.
So like, there's things like that too, which running on Polygon makes it great because you can make those 3 transactions daily very, very inexpensively.
Yeah.
Ethereum.
Right.
I mean, geez, look at the gas fees last week. Whoo, man, they were out of this world, man. I was thinking about sniping up a couple more apes, but with those gas fees, I was like, gas fees, no way.
You said some apes, some NFTs.
Yeah, I showed you those, didn't I?
No, you didn't show me those.
Oh man, geez. All right, well, let's get into it.
Let me see.
You gotta see these because this is really cool. It's called Primate Social Society. You've heard of the Bored Ape Yacht Club, right?
Yep.
So check this out. These are so much better. And they're gonna have a game. And they're gonna have a token. And when you buy one of these guys, you actually get a 2 free mints for companions in the game.
Are you serious?
Yep. So this is also going to be a play to earn game.
How much are they? What are they at right now?
Well, it just depends, which one you want. But so looks like this is like the floor currently. So yeah, that's what I'm buying now.
Oh, okay, so 0.02 ETH.
Yeah, it'll tell you $134.
Yeah,
for this guy.
Sweet.
Which is really great, right? It's pretty cheap. Considering now, watch this, right?
I like the one with the.
Yeah. Dude, these things are awesome. There's so many cool ones. I actually, so since I didn't show you this, you probably didn't see mine then.
No.
I'm gonna have to show you. I'll pull them up here in a second.
You got a pirate.
Yeah, we got a pirate. We got a Viking hat.
There it is.
Listen, I got one with a Viking hat, smoking a cigar.
Oh, look at the white.
They got the mushrooms growing out of the head. There's some pretty cool ones though. Then you got the third eye with smoking a J. Pretty awesome.
Oh shit! Figured that would be high. Look at that. That's beautiful.
Oh no! Listen. You haven't seen high yet. Watch this. This is so. I'm showing you the floor, right? Check these guys out. There you go.
Oh, look at that. Is that the hockey joint? Look at the hockey joint. Yep. Oh, These shits are crazy, bro.
Yep, smoking a banana pipe.
Love it.
Then
Sweet, man.
you got a ape going to the moon. Got a pirate doctor smoking a J.
The pirate doctor, yeah.
Then you got the cowboy with the Doge dog. So now check this out, right? So this is where it gets crazy. Okay, this should be the end. Maybe. Yep, here we go. Look at these things, man. 32 ETH, 33 Ethereum, 40 Ethereum, 16 Ethereum, 40 Ethereum, 50 Ethereum, 55 Ethereum, 66 Ethereum, 69 Ethereum, almost 70 Ethereum, 77 Ethereum, 100 Ethereum.
Yo, the
100
price jump.
Ethereum.
Why the price jump in differences?
Because the rarity.
Because
Like this is the only one of its kind, right? So they're asking 100 Ethereum. They got a Bob Marley for 420 Ethereum. Oh man. Yep. Yeah, man.
Look at this Viking 333 though.
Yep. Yep.
It's crazy.
It is, man.
Amazing.
Listen, I think this is probably going to be, once it grabs some attention, because this is a newer project too, right? But once it grabs some attention, I think it's going to be bigger than Bored Ape Yacht Club. Definitely.
Oh yeah, how long has this been running?
This actually launched middle of October, so it's like brand
new.
Yeah, and for them to have a volume of 357 Ethereum already, that's really good. That's really good. They have over 10,000 people in their Discord already too.
Already?
Yeah. I was like, wow, really?
Wow.
I'm actually
you go to OpenSea to see these.
Yep, OpenSea. I've been talking to these guys too. I said I told them I was going to do a video because I really like the apes a lot, and yeah, I told them I was going to do a video, and then eventually I'm going to have one of them come on the show and do like a little review and stuff.
For this?
Yeah, for this project.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where do I go to check these out? I just go to OpenSea and I look for
go to OpenSea, and then you can also
Primate Society.
Let's see, and then here's their actual website too. Maybe.
Okay.
My computer's been active. I gotta clean my computer. It's been okay. Maybe it's not working right now. So what have you been digging into, man?
Man, I've been digging into the Kadena.
Yeah,
I was telling you, Kadena. Been digging into that a little bit. The XRPL ledger has a few airdrops coming on, and right now they got a Sologenics airdrop coming. Did you hear about that?
I did. Yeah, I know some people in the community.
Sweet. Did you set up a trust line yet?
Did I?
Yeah.
No. I'll be honest, man. I'm fully. I used to be a lot in XRP when I first got into crypto, but
yeah,
I personally don't own any right now.
No.
I mean, not I'm saying it's not going to do well, right? Because hey, it's still going to do. It should still, in my opinion, at least hit $16 probably.
Yeah.
Maybe even 30, really. I mean, because the 1618 I think is like $28 or something like that. But for me, man, I sat in XRP so long, and I wasn't making nothing.
Right.
And I was getting really discouraged, and I'm like, man, I do not. And I'm glad I made the transition, but like, I will say this though, this is what I am holding, because I do know that I do know XRP is going to do some really cool stuff, right? So this is actually what I'm holding, the XRP Bull token. Why? Because I don't have as much risk on the table, number one, and I can make just as much money. as if I was holding the regular token, but with not holding the token.
Yeah.
You know, like, so the idea of this token, and just so you know, this is never financial advice. This is just purely what I'm doing, right? So the XRP bull token, it's a 3x token, okay? The idea is basically, say the regular token is up 15%. The bull token is up 45%, okay? So, and then every day that it's green, it gains compound percentage gains too on the way up. So not only are you getting that 3x, but you're also getting them compound gains every day it's green. So when XRP does its, like, what I believe it's going to do at the end of the year, possibly maybe even start doing a little something now.
Like now, maybe.
Yeah, right. So, you know, the potential for this is great. Could it get here? I don't know, man. It might, but guess what? I bought these ridiculously cheap. Okay, I have minimum to no risk on the table, and let's just say it even gets to 81 cents. Okay, which, I mean, geez, back in May it was $8. You know, back in May. So I don't see why it couldn't. But even if it, let's just say it got to 80 cents, okay, and you bought 100,000 of these, which your risk today would be $1,271, okay. Well, when it reaches 80 cents, you just made 80K off of $1,300. And if I were to buy $1,300 with XRP right now, I would not be making $80,000. So that's why I'm in it.
Cool. What is XRP Bull?
It's just a 3x long token.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yep. Just a 3x token.
Yeah.
You know, obviously these things, you just have to be careful. You have to be careful of these things because just as fast as they go up, they can go down just as fast. So do you really want to see something crazy is the next question. Let me show you something.
Sure.
You might shit your pants on this one. Oh, okay. No, they have it on here. Cool. I was wondering if they took it off or not.
You have that on FTX?
FTX. This is on FTX. Now, this is what I want to show you though. This is craziness. Actually, this is BS. I hate when they do this. Wow, they really did this, huh? Anyways, if you look on Poloniex, okay, this thing went from $200, which, let's get rid of all this stuff so we can actually just see the bare naked chart. And you can actually just see all the cool stuff. All right, so apparently on here, okay, no, it did. Okay, perfect. It did reflect that. So at your low, at $168, if you would have bought one Doge bull coin for $168, okay? You see that? $242,775.
That's ridiculous.
Makes you rethink life, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fucking nuts. What is that? Another long coin?
Yeah, it's a Doge bull coin.
That's
pretty crazy. Pretty crazy.
Nuts.
So, but this is what I mean by just as fast as they go up, they can come down. Now we're on a daily chart, right? So nice little double top here, you know, try to come back up, break, failed, boom. So look at this. I just want you to focus on this one candle and one day, okay? One day, they lost 85%. One day. That's why I said you do have to be careful with these. But just like anything else,
very careful.
Just like anything else, use it as a tool, right? Use it as a tool. Listen, I'm not telling nobody to go buy this. I'm just saying, like, be safe.
I feel you. I totally feel you. Oh yeah.
I want to double up on this one.
That is nuts. That's crazy shit. This is crypto. This is the wild, wild west we're in, man.
Exactly. Listen, and the crazy thing is, is, my goodness. And let's see, when would you have to bought this? You would have had to buy this 13th of March 2020. You'd have bought Doge Bull March of 2020 and then held it all the way until May of 2021. Man, oh man, $168 to $275,000. It's quite amazing. Quite amazing. So that's why I like these tokens.
Yeah. This is your lane.
You just got to be, like I said, I'm not telling anybody to buy these. Not doing it. Not doing it. This is my strategy for the bear market. I'm not going to lie. This is my strategy for the bear market because they have bear tokens too. And for whatever reason, I noticed I was watching my premiere today because I did mention the bear tokens, but it wasn't at the end of the video. It was really strange. And I'm like, wait a minute, what happened? Like, I don't know if it stopped recording there. It was like, no, you shouldn't tell nobody the secret or something. I don't know if that's what it was, if that's what it was, but like,
yeah.
I guess maybe we should just let it rip. Since we're on the bull token topic. Because check this out, right? I'm already planting seeds right now with this guy. Not saying that it's not going to have another pump, right? But look at this thing. Look at this. It looks like it's definitely just, on the floor, bro. It's on the floor. So, can Cardano pump some more? Absolutely. It'll just push this price lower. But guess what? I'm not investing barely anything into these. You know how many I got of these for $5 like a couple weeks ago? I got 226 million tokens for $5.
Yeah. For $5.
For $5. Not a lot of money.
Not a bad lotto ticket.
Absolutely. Listen, when the bear market comes around and things are crashing down and everybody else is like, oh no, it's not gonna go, it's not gonna crash, it's gonna keep going. I'm gonna be riding these babies to the freaking moon. Because when everything goes down, these ones go up because these are bear tokens. So these are your 3x short tokens. So,
okay.
Like I said, if you go back and look at that Doge Bull, if you look at the strategy that kind of like I'm working with here, if you would have bought Doge Bull at the very, I guess, beginning of the bull run, so to speak, right? Because that's really when Bitcoin roughly crossed the 200 range there, right in that range in 2020. I think it was like March, April, May, somewhere around there, right? But anyways, if you would have bought the bull tokens then, holy moly. Let me show you something. If you would have bought the bull tokens then, you would have made some crazy gains. So me buying the bull tokens now and planning on selling them 12 months from now. I think
how long have they been out? Like how long, you know what I mean? Are they just brand new tokens?
Oh, they're pretty new. Yeah. January 21 for ADA Bear. Some of them are a bit older than others. I think XRP Bull and Bear are a little bit older. Let's take a peek at this. Oh. Let's take a peek at this guy. Yeah, much older. So this one is May of 20. Okay. Obviously, this thing just boom, 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 because we've been in a bull run, right? So when we're in a bull run, these goes down. When we're in a bear market, these go up. And this, I guess you could kind of say that this is kind of an indicator that we're close to the bottom too, right? When you start to see stuff like this, or we're near the top, of the market, right? When you start kind of seeing stuff like this with the bear tokens, I guess you really, whatever, it doesn't really matter because some people are gonna want to argue the fact of this because they're too new, and I don't really care. But anyways, for this right here though, geez, you can pick up a lot of these too, guys. But guess what? If you put $1 or $2 in these things and you DCA in every single week at $1 or $2, maybe $5, and if you're like, Oh no, I'm going big. I'm gonna put $10 a week. If you put $10 a week in these until the beginning of the year, you're gonna have a ridiculous amount of tokens. Okay. And what I'll say to that is just remember you have to sell them all too. So um and on the other side of things too, right? This gives us a lot of leverage buying right here, because guess what? Buying this cheap, you don't have to. Oh, I'm gonna sell it at $10. I don't care. Guess what, dude? When I'm buying this cheap, I'm probably gonna sell it well under 20 cents. I'm gonna sell my whole bag well under 20 cents because it just makes sense, you know?
Yeah.
Because I have that much leverage to where I can
Right.
use. Because look, I mean, just look at the percentages from here to let's just do 2 pennies, bro. Right? Or 1 penny, because this is just astronomically ridiculous, right? So look at that. 1 penny. Okay. You're looking at 4,781,978% gains. Just to a penny. So I'm not looking to, be greedy by any means.
Right.
It could get to a half a penny for all I care, really, to be honest. And you can make a considerable amount of money. I mean, that's just personally what I'm doing. If it doesn't
Yeah.
work out, cool. I don't really care because I'm only going to be out a few $100, right?
Right.
So, but if it does work out, well, guess what? I'm going to be making a ridiculous amount of money in the bear market,
Right.
just off a very, 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 very small amount of money. So,
Mhm.
and that's what we're all trying to do here, right?
Right.
We're trying to make the most amount of money with the least amount of money.
Yeah.
Whatever. Sorry, man. I know I've been rambling, man. I'm sorry. We got on this whole topic, and I just kind of went with it. But
I see your point on that, though.
Yeah, absolutely, man.
Yeah.
Like I said, it doesn't have to get. It doesn't have to go to the moon from these prices. It really doesn't.
Right.
I mean,
it's a good play.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, for a couple bucks, you can't beat it.
For a couple bucks. Yeah.
I wouldn't be mad even if it didn't pan out. Whatever.
Right.
But if it does, then hey, the risk to reward is just way too much to pass up for me.
Crazy.
But
crazy not to.
Yeah, absolutely.
Pennies,
right. Like crazy gains. And mind you, let's just go back from December of 2020. This thing was $3.58. I mean, this is a chart. It does have to get some type of relief rally at some point, right? Can't go down forever. Just like nothing goes up forever,
Mm-hmm.
But no, man, take it over, please. I want to hear about all the cool things you've been finding.
Oh, as far as crypto, man, I just been what I've also been doing is getting involved with I don't know if you know anything about Helium.
Yeah, I do a little bit, not really much, but I remember when we were talking, you were talking about them little miners, so I thought that was
miners, cool. Yeah. So we're picking up a few more miners, and just connecting those. And I don't know if you've been seeing the price of Helium, but it's been going up. And what I've been noticing in my email, because I'm connected to the newsletter, so many companies are partnering with them, like for their IoT software.
Nice. So
yeah. I'm seeing hospitals, medical devices, different tracking companies all the time. I'm getting emails all the time. I'm like, wow, this company's, they're really being used in the real world.
I like that. Here's my thing. I haven't found enough tokens that are going to be revolved around medical, and I would love to find more. So that's really cool to hear. That's really nice to hear, because we need some more healthcare blockchain companies, in my opinion. We don't really have many,
No.
So that's really cool. I like that. That's awesome. That is awesome. So what did you freeze? I think you might have froze. Think oh, okay, cool, you're back. Or did you freeze again? Okay, I think you froze again.
Did it stop?
Hey guys, we're back. I think they knew Blockchain Monkeys was about to drop some knowledge, so they cut us off. So
It should be good now, though. Huh?
oh yeah, you're good. Yep,
Okay.
go for it.
That interview was nice with you and Mac yesterday, man. Or this morning.
Oh, thanks, brother. Thanks, I appreciate it. Yeah, when me and him do interviews, man, we always have a good time. Always have a good time. You know, tell you what, he's definitely got a lot of knowledge in this space, and I mean, man, the guy's been around a lot longer than me, and it's funny because so we got on the topic of Matrix, right? I didn't even know he was looking at Matrix in 2017 when all the hype was around it, that and Deep Brain. So you know, he did say be careful in that region.
I did hear him say that.
Yep. So, you know, hey, I'm going to take his advice for sure. But basically, I think what he was really trying to get at, though, is just, you know, you get your money and get out. You know what I mean? Get your money and get out because, you know, and I kind of see where he's coming from because I think I was actually talking to you about this a couple weeks. Well, actually, right when I brought this to you, I said it's really weird because now they're all of a sudden active. Remember me saying that to you? And like they just come out of nowhere, you know. And it's funny because that's exactly what Mac was saying yesterday. That you know, they just come out of nowhere, kind of a thing. And then because they know what time of the year it is, you know, it's pump time.
Yeah,
pump 30.
Yeah, sometimes I guess it's hard to distinguish.
It is
whether a company is truly actually working or not because we have so much shit going on in this space. It's hard to decipher sometimes because a company might actually be doing something like actually working hard, and we may have a different view just because of all the shit we've been fed. You know what I mean?
Absolutely, man. Listen, and you know, and the thing of it is like, you know, I'm still gonna keep my ear to the ground, right? Like, no doubt.
Absolutely, always.
Still gonna keep my ear to the ground on it, but it's just really crazy, man. Like if it is truly that way, and it's truly just a bunch of nonsense, then wow, we did a good job. You know what
Great
I mean?
job.
Like they're playing the role perfect. If so, you know, like I will say that. And
they're better. They're better than Hollywood actors then.
Yeah. No, and for real though, and he even said it. It was kind of funny because he was like, I thought it was funny because he's like a picture here, a picture there, and I'm just like, yeah, okay, yeah. But you know, at the end of the day, though, the charts still say what they say. So like, you know, what I'm kind of got from what he said is basically, you know, not saying it's not going to go up.
Right. Not saying it's not going to go up.
They know what they're doing, you know. But get your money and get out.
Yeah.
And that's what I plan to do anyway. I'll be quite honest. Because if their project is legit, cool. That's fine. But there's other things that I'm a little more bullish on anyway. When it comes to AI and things like that. And actually one of them was brought up now in the interview. Especially now. That thing is, I think personally, is going to be an absolute monstrosity. It's going to be a monster.
What are you talking about?
The Inheritance AI.
Yep.
I really do. It looks, I mean.
Is that Moonlift on the Binance chain?
Yeah, it's on BSC. Mm-hmm. You can buy it on PancakeSwap. Yep.
Pancake. What do you do? You get the BNB and you transfer it to BUSD?
So, this is what you got to do. You got to get the BNB, okay? You convert your BNB to BEP20, okay? When you're done converting your BNB to BEP20, then you can transfer, you can make your transaction from BNB BEP20 to MLTPX.
Okay.
And they're working on DEX version 2 and all that other stuff. And I'll be honest, they're doing a lot. They're doing a lot over there. They are.
Well, once I heard Max say that they're working with the Inherent AI, I was like, okay. Then he said we had White House ties. I was like, okay.
Yeah. So he was saying that Vincent Peters, He actually
Yeah,
has White House clearance. Yeah,
yeah,
that's it's pretty big stuff.
yeah.
It's pretty big stuff. Um, but yeah, actually, if all goes well, um, and he's free, we'll be doing an interview here real soon. Me,
Oh,
Mac, and
sweet.
so we'll actually be able to get like more in depth in with it and everything too, which would be really nice.
It'd be
Uh,
really nice.
yeah, for sure. Because I actually I don't know if you looked at the site or not or anything.
I have not looked at anything yet. I just heard you guys speak on it.
Yeah, the site is pretty interesting as well, especially like, for everybody out there listening, just please go do your research. Look up Vincent Peters, where he's been, what he's done. This is always what I do when I
Actually, write
research.
that down. That's Vincent Peters, right?
Yep. Um, yeah, this
CEO of
but yeah,
Say I.
it's gonna be interesting, I believe. I really do. And but there's other stuff that I like too, like a lot of stuff in the Polygon ecosystem. Even Strong, man, I'm not even gonna lie, like I was late to the party on that. If I would have known about it though, I totally would have gotten in super duper early.
Yeah.
But yeah, a lot of people, I seen that whole thing. What's up? Please tell me what's going on with that. So you're more active in the XRP community than I am. I seen
What's going on with Strong?
Yeah, so I seen that there's
I haven't gotten involved with that.
Okay. I didn't know because I wasn't sure because I seen like there was like some drama. I was like, what is going on?
I saw a few tweets. I just ignored them.
Yeah, they were calling it a Ponzi or something.
Yeah.
I'm just like, and when you see things like that, you're like, all right, obviously these people are mad because they didn't get in early, right? And I mean, who wouldn't be like, oh man, I wish I could have got in early? I mean, I'm like that, but you don't see me hating on it,
Who cares? Like, I look at it like this: if you miss a run up on something, like there's another one's coming right behind it, anyways.
Exactly. There's that. Well, that's the thing, right? So there's always gonna be opportunities, no matter what.
Always.
That's why I'm not mad.
Not at all.
Would I like to participate in that? Absolutely. The thing went from I think $17 all the way to $1,200 already. It's pretty awesome.
That's really nice. Really nice.
Yeah. So I mean, of course that's great, right? Just like Pirate Chain, right? So Pirate Chain, I was really quiet about Pirate Chain, and a couple people that I talked to on a regular basis knew that I was like really eyeing up Pirate Chain. And I was like, I'm in this trade right now, hopefully after this trade and I'll go back, right? All of a sudden, Pirate Chain goes from like 15, 20 cents all the way to $16.
Sheesh.
Damn it. Another one. I was like, man, come on. So
were you not there?
I wasn't in Pirate Chain at that point. I could have swore you were balls deep in it. Listen, I was gonna buy it. I was about to buy it, and I was in another trade, and I was like, nah, I think I got a couple days, And then next thing you know, this thing just starts going. I'm just like, oh man, and I'm not gonna go start chasing green candles, because that's how you get wrecked like that. So
you will get wrecked. You'll get murdered, man.
Yeah,
I got like a couple more minutes and I got a jet.
Oh, no problem, bro. Well, listen, talk about what you want to talk about, bro. Because I feel like I've taken this whole damn thing over.
Yo, man, I don't mind it because you're like you're a wealth of knowledge, bro. Like, because I don't do like the chart reading like you do, and so it's like it's a relief to get that on top of my foundational research. You know what I mean? So by all means, I love what you're doing with this stuff. But I've been really like loving what Algorand's doing, man. Their whole ecosystem, man. They have the Yieldly platform. Yieldly is a place where it's the first decentralized platform on Algorand, but they have Opulus on there. They have so many different ways that you can earn inside of Yieldly. You're able to stake your Algorand without having to. While you're staking your Algorand, you're able to earn Yieldly. You're able then to take that Yieldly and stake that for Opulus. Like there's so many things you can do with it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So basically, from the sounds of it, they're kind of doing like what XRP is doing.
Kind of.
like in
Yeah.
a similar fashion, like a passive income approach, kind of.
Yeah, a lot of passive income opportunities, and they do a lot with smart contracts too.
Nice, 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 nice.
Yeah, I don't know if
That's
I told you, but they're into drone racing as well. I didn't
oh,
even
okay.
know that was a thing.
I was actually watching one of your videos and I heard about that actually. That's
Yeah,
that's that's pretty cool, man.
yeah, man.
They actually have an algo bull token too, if you didn't know.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
I
Hey, listen,
would imagine they do.
I'm just saying, listen. Yeah,
I
it's
might have to. I might have to throw $5 in there.
right? Exactly. What do you got to lose? What do you got to lose?
Yeah.
I know, man. That's the crazy thing, right? So, like I said, going back to that, like when XRP did its last run, and it did, I think, 1,500% in 2 weeks, right? I think that's because I look at historicals a lot too. But it did like 1,500%, I think, over like maybe a 2.5 week period, something like that. If you're sitting in a bull token and it does 1,500%, dude, you're gonna make some money real fast.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like you're gonna make, because you're getting 3x gains. So like plus compound percentage every day it's green. So
Yeah, plus that compound percentage.
yeah. So they're great, I mean, like I said, they can be a double-edged sword though. You just got to be careful. But they can also definitely be a huge blessing also.
Yeah.
As long as you are careful. Not saying, all right, guys, we're putting our whole portfolio in bull coins. That would be a terrible idea. Idea.
Yeah.
I just want to let everybody know that now. That is not financial advice. Do not do it. Because you will get wrecked. More than likely.
You will get wrecked. Appreciate the bro.
Doge Bull, it came down 85% in one day.
Sheesh.
No good, no good. But yeah, I do like algo. Like I said, I do like these projects. Okay, I do. I don't have anything against them. It's just I think they're gonna. You seen what Solana did? That's all I'm gonna say.
As far as what they did so much.
Price.
Yeah.
Where it came from to where it went. I mean, it's. There's so many things out there that are like that. It's like, I think at one point when I got rid of my XRP and all this other stuff, right? And I started trading and I started flipping things around and all this other, I came to a certain point to where I was like, oh my God, if I really wanted to right now, I could buy all the I could buy more XRP than I could even imagine having whenever I had all my XRP when I first sold it all, and XRP was like still, at these prices. It's just, I'm not saying it's not going to do anything. I'm just saying it has a specific time, right? And it hasn't happened yet, but it's going to, because we're approaching the end of the bull run, and historically that's what happens, So I think all these things are going to do well, especially Algorand too. I'll be honest, I think I like Algorand better. Not gonna lie, I think I like Algorand better than I do XRP. Just because, listen, I'm not even gonna say it because I'm gonna get a lot of hate on the XRP community is gonna hate on it. But it's
I don't think any. This is where I come from. I don't think anyone should hate anyone's opinion.
I don't either
at all. Like you could hate every single coin that I don't like, and you're totally entitled to have your own opinion, and it's like perfectly okay.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean?
Absolutely. And listen,
one thing we have in common is we're all in crypto. We're all in crypto,
and we're all here to make money, right?
That's it.
We're all here to make money.
Yeah.
And as much as we possibly can, right?
Right.
So
it's good rapping with you, bro.
Absolutely, man. We're definitely gonna have to do this more often because I like having these conversations, because like whenever I'll jump on a live or something, and like I just want to just talk about in general, just the market in general, or crypto in general, or like where trends might be heading, or like there's been so many different trends. We've had NFTs, we have play to earns, now we got passive income stuff. Like there's all kinds of different things out there these days. And I mean, not to mention there's 13,500 different cryptos right now. So I don't think they're all going to be there when the music stops. Just saying.
Nope. Absolutely not, man. Well, yeah, we'll do this again sometimes, there, bro.
Absolutely, man. Maybe I don't know. Maybe we'll do it like once every couple weeks or something.
Yeah, do that.
Like rotate. I'll go on your channel. You come on my channel. All that cool stuff, and maybe
yeah,
learn how to chart, have some fun with it.
Yeah, I'll have you. Yeah, we'll do. We can do like a show where we're talking like some fundamental research, and then we can also do some chart stuff.
Absolutely, man. I like both. I like both.
Yeah.
Crypto.
All right, man.
Oh yeah.
What is that?
No, I say I like both the crypto fundamentals and then the charts because
Right.
both, in my opinion, come together. They both play a key role. Because why would you want to invest in a piece of crap?
Makes no sense.
But all right, brother. Well, it was really nice having you on, man. Always a pleasure. Always a joy talking to you. And yeah, man, we'll get you on again, and I'll hit you up probably tomorrow, man.
Absolutely, bro. We'll have to get Larry on. Was me, you, and Larry on one day too.
Yeah, absolutely. He would totally be down with that, man.
Hell yeah. All right, man. You have a good one, bro.
You too, brother. Take care.
All right, take care.